delegating.
Okay, pull. Keep pulling.
Pull some more. Pull. Pull.
No, I'm trying to get a good angle.
Oh boy.
No, this is good.
Oh man, it's a box.
All right.
I like the way she gets rid of
Wait a
it.
minute.
Hang on.
Hang on, I'm gonna destroy the paper first. Then I'll take the box.
I see something green.
Yay.
What is that?
Hey.
Right.
Say, help me, Mommy.
Help me, Mommy.
Oh, thank you, Bailey.
Okay.
What is
What is
that?
Pull it out.
What'd she say?
Ooh.
Whoa.
Boy.
It's a Sesame Street.
It's a scooter doll.
Oh, oh that's Scooter.
Here we go.
There you go.
More.
She's got it now.
Yeah, she does.
She knows what it is.
Now it's time to open them both
Okay, which one? Oh, the big one.
She goes straight.
Did you see? Train her well, woman.
What?
You want the big one? The big one? Okay. Pull.
Pull. Pull hard. Pull real hard. Oh, she's getting it.
Oh.
That's a...
Dora the Maybe I shouldn't say I want her to. I was trying to tell you what it was.
Well, I was looking to
Bailey
see.
has it. So you do it.
Does she know it?
No.
Who is that, Bailey? You got one of those, don't you?
Wasn't.
Come here. Here, open. Yeah.
Yeah.
So easily distracted.
Pull hard.
Look, look, Nora.
What is that?
What is it? Open. Open it. Right here.
Pull it.
Pull.
Pull the paper.
That one pop off.
She's getting confused.
I think Dora's the winner so far.
Pull hard.
Pull. Pull it, Nora.
Pull.
Pull.
Pull hard.
What is it?
Oh, little baby.
Wow.
I mean,
Wow.
It's a baby.
Another one. Pull. Oh my goodness! Look at this.
Oh.
Oh my goodness!
Pull it. Tear it.
Tear it. Pull it.
Pull
Here,
it.
push right there. Push right there.
I don't know. The backyard again.
Oh, it's a little tea set. It's a little tea set. Oh, it's so great. Yay for tea. Okay, one last one. One last one. Let's open this one.
Okay.
That's cute. Oh my goodness. Pull that. Pull it. Oh, look, it's in a white box. It's a white box. Alrighty. Okay, here we go. Let's open a happy for Daddy and Mommy. Happy birthday, Nora. Okay, so this is for Nora. Look at this.
Wow.
Oh, look at that.
Goodness.
It's a little, I think it's a little light thing.
Okay.
Isn't it beautiful? Oh, it's a little lantern. Or a little lamp. It's so pretty. Look. We can put it up on your, it's a little nightlight for Nora. A beautiful nightlight. 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nora. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Can you turn on the light real quick?
Yes.
Oh, look at your cake. All right, you need to blow it out. All right, are you ready for?
Yay!
She thought she was getting all kinds of messy.
It's not over yet.
She's like, just getting started.
You want some cake too?
She hasn't decided she's really awake yet. Like, is this a dream?
And cake. Chocolate good?
Go like this.
Dance it. Let me see.
Look at Daddy.
Look at Daddy. You have to stand up and dance for Daddy.
Dance, 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 you, dance, you.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, dance too.
Dance. Dance, Honora. Shake it. Shake it.
Shake it.
Shake it.